Okay, when you turn on the machine, you can find from the screen. Here we use the set. First step, you can find this is centigrade, means you can change the temperature by up or down. And the second step is for the time seconds. You can also up and down. And the third is you can change centigrade to Fahrenheit degree. You can also use this one to February and this one back to centigrade. And the fourth step, this is used for temperature. Usually we set 0 because we think the machine is working good. But when you use it, if you found the machine temperature is not higher or is more higher than what you think or what you set, you can use this one to make adjust. And the fifth step also for the seconds like the fourth. Okay, you can use this knob to do adjust for the pressure. You can find the words on it. It has the up and down. You change it to the downside, it means make the pressure more heavy. And another side for the up is to make the pressure light. Okay.